Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna go. Well, I'm getting picked up by my friend Tyler. We're gonna go to the art museum, I believe, and probably take some pictures or whatnot. I'm not too sure what's there, what the exhibit is, but that's what we're gonna do. And then right after, I'm not too sure what we're gonna do, but I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll probably vlog when he picks me up. Cool. So we decided to go to the Japanese garden. I got Tyler.
How close I can get this bird before it runs away.
Don't put the bag over the edge. Okay.
So we're about to feed koi fish. So much fish. These fish really go crazy after the food.
There's like I think it's like every Saturday, or not every Saturday, 1 or 2 Saturdays out of the month, they have a tea ceremony over here. And I think it's super expensive, but I've always wanted to do it.
Oh, for real?
Get the kimono and everything. Look legit.
So now we're about to go get some food. Where are we getting food at?
I'm gonna look it up right now.
Cool.
I'm just gonna get it.
Get it, yeah. Just get it. Alright, cool. So we're here. We're about to eat at DeSoto, I guess. I don't know. Never been here. So I don't even know what kind of food they have. What kind of food do they have here?
Like your typical coffee shop shit.
Okay, so coffee, bagels, bread.
Bagels, dude, that sounds good.
Bagels. Bagels do sound good. I guess we'll find out. Well, that was a bus. Now we're going to a new place. And I guess we'll find out what they have there. Yeah, so now we're at the Phoenix Art Museum. You can see what they have here. Been here before, but it's always cool to be at a museum. So, I guess we'll see what happens.
Dude, imagine just like being on the tip of that and you're slowly starting to slip off that slanted style.
Kind of like Impossible. Impossible did that, right? Like
I think that's
in Dubai or something.
That shit gives me the fucking chills.
Be like a. So we're at the art museum, and there's this huge ass cheeseburger here. Looks really good. Kind of looks like a Big Mac.
It really does.
Yeah, that looks so good. Makes us more hungry. Also hungry. Oh, now we left the art museum. Now we're about to actually go eat. I think we're hungry. Yeah. Yep. Can really record inside instead of being jerks. Yeah, I guess I'm recording. So I'll definitely use that. Alright guys, so we're in Maricopa right now.
What are you doing?
Visiting my mom and whatnot. My dad's at work and my brother's not home. We're walking a dog right now. You can check out little Mungie. Mungie, come here. Yeah. That's Mungie. That's my aunt's dog.
She does not want to go this way.
Right. Come on, Mungie. Let's go. Come on. I got it.
She hears other dogs.
Come on.
She's scared.
Come on. Come on. She's been a pain.
I'm scared.
So, after we finish watching Mungie, we're gonna go eat with my mom, and then I'm not too sure what we're doing tonight. What are we doing tonight? Do we have any plans? Are we staying in?
You're supposed to edit,
Oh yeah, I need to edit another vlog. Probably.
and we're supposed
that.
to go grocery shopping.
Oh yeah, we're doing grocery shopping today
We're
too.
not even gonna have time to do all that.
Yeah, we can. We can do it.
I work early.
Oh, what time?
6.
Ooh, she works at 6. Okay. Well, if anything, we could just do that after you get off.
Yeah.
But if anything, we can get what we need to. Come on.
I think we'll be fine for tonight. We
Whoa.
can just do it tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
So we'll probably just go home so you can.
So I'll probably just go home and edit. What's up, guys? Back at our house. I'm just gonna end today's vlog. Did a lot. Think I recorded a lot. There wasn't much of Emily in there today, right?
Nope, I worked.
Yeah, she worked all day, so just me, my friend Tyler went and did a lot of stuff. Didn't vlog us eating or anything. Just wanted to spend time with my mom and Emily. That's about it, really. And so yeah, right? You got anything else? Nope. So I'll vlog tomorrow and whatnot. Gonna edit and then post and whatnot. Cool. Thanks for watching. Peace.